How to unlock your home screen layout on Android device. What's up everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to exactly unlock your home screen on Android. What I'm talking about is if your home screen is locked, you are not able to move apps around. So if I try to move any app right here, it says home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in settings. This means I am not allowed to move any of the apps from home screen or rearrange them. Now if you want to rearrange your apps but it's not letting you, just follow these steps to unlock your home screen layout. First of all, open your phone setting, and once your phone settings is open, just scroll down until you find the home screen settings. Now all you have to do here is find the option that is home screen layout. Make sure to turn it off. So once this is turned off, and if I go back to my home screen, now I'm freely able to move my apps around and place them anywhere I want. And now you can just freely rearrange your apps on your home screen. There is one other method that you can do is just hold on your home screen and you will directly head over to the home screen settings. Now here you can turn on and turn off your home screen layout. Now if you want to keep it locked, you can turn it on and keep it on. And if you want to turn it off, just turn it off, and now you are able to freely move any icons. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one.